The purpose of the FMM integration in SAP is whenever there are any changes in the right on the MM side, we want it to be automatically updated. So some automated entries are posted by the system itself whenever there is a change in the stock. Correct. So on the MM side, the goods clerk or the stores clerk, if he is logging into SAP and he's saying that this stock I received, this stock we have issued to production, like that, if he is doing anything like that, automatically FI will be updated with the relevant value. So now how it is happening, right? So it doesn't happen through magic. Here we have to do all the connections that are required to make this possible. Okay, that is what we are doing here. So first thing what we are doing is we are setting up the MM side enterprise structure so that we can connect our FI structure with MM structure. Then only we can connect. Okay, so now MM is not there now, MM 0, nothing we have done so far. Now we are doing the MM consultant jobs. In real time, we don't have to do all this. This will be taken care by the MM guy, correct? See, as we have FI CO guy, we are getting salary to do FI consulting jobs. Same way, one MM guy will be there. He will be getting salary to work for MM structure steps. Na? Now, we don't do everything. We are not Superman na, to do everybody's job. Correct. We are doing it from our side. They will do from their side. Then only we can connect. But here we don't have an MM guidance. That's why we are doing the MM steps also, right? Just as a process so that we can see the end result. Okay. So now step number up to step number 7 we have completed. Now we are going to go ahead with the step number 8. What is step number 8? Create purchasing group. Okay, let's do it. Right. So tomorrow also you have the session, same time. Yeah. Right.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you show me the profit center second step, sir? In our screen, it's something is a little different. Sir.
What is it about? Dummy pro. Okay, 0 KE5. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Second step, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. 0 KE5 only, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh. So you are not using the same version, or are you using anything else?
Yeah,
Are you doing online only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See what we do here, slash n 0 K5, correct? You go like this. And here what you do, you give the controlling area, you give this. You cannot give dummy profit center because if you have created, it will come automatically. These are the things I have given.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, so where are we? So step number up to 7 we completed, right? Today we are going to do step number 8. Create purchasing group. Okay, so go to OME4 /n OME. Okay. Yeah. Okay, create purchasing group. Click on the new entries and we will create the groups, right? Purchasing group. So what is the name I will give? Our company is Tina, Tesla. What is it? TEE, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tesla purchasing group, right? So this is my TEE purchasing group. Okay, no. So always whenever you are creating, you have to take down the name also so that we don't forget. Okay, right. Good. Okay, no.
Sir, what
Yeah.
is the difference between ECC and S/4HANA?
Difference between ECC and S4 HANA, actually we can discuss when we are doing
Yes,
S4,
sir.
but generally, I cannot tell you that in one, na. The
ECC
difference,
plus new features is equal to S/4HANA.
yeah, that is single line.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you ask me what is the difference means, it will take at least 4 to 5 hours. One screen I have to compare and show you, right? Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So single line I
Today
cannot tell.
we were asking, sir, today. That's why I'm asking.
So the difference is like theory apps are there, and then database is HANA database, in-memory database. Some GL related some changes are there. Vendor business partner is there. House bank is through a web link. Asset management, some contracting account we have to create. Like that, many are there. See, here and there some changes. Correct. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Right. No. Now save.
So one general question.
Yes, tell.
In SAP course, which module is trending in scope wise?
In SAP,
Which module is trending scope wise?
trending.
Yeah.
If you ask me, I will say FIC only, na. Correct. Correct, na.
So
Correct.
it's a general question.
Generally also FIC only. There is no
Yeah.
comparison to FIC.
I do believe that commerce based
Always.
whatever
See-
course is always in trending.
See, there are people who are civil engineers, BScs, BTechs in FI. Correct. So nobody from BCom, MCom will go as a technical guy, na, ruled out. Those people, those who are in the technical background, because there is no opportunities there, they are moving to finance background. BTech, MBA finance, so many people are there. Now
Sir, I
anybody
belong to BSc Computer.
exactly. There is no opportunities there. So they
I
are
belong to
moving
BSc Computer Science, sir.
Correct. So when people are moving from BSc, BTech background into finance, why we should move from FI into other backgrounds? Correct now. We are lucky to be in finance. Correct. Let's take
I
advantage
do
of.
believe that commerce is based.
Exactly.
Otherwise,
See, what I would say is finance and IT, it's a deadly combination. IT is the best, and if you connect with FI, finance, it's a very good combination. Correct now? Yeah. See, there are companies where some companies where there is manufacturing is there, they need PP module. Correct. But if the manufacturing is not there, like services company, correct na? Means no, travel,
yes.
hotel industry, only service na. Now SAP training is a service. Now, do we have any manufacturing? If you take a bank, do they have any manufacturing? No. When there is no manufacturing, PP module is not there. No? Correct. When there is no manufacturing, material, no, MM is not required. Correct. Same way, there are some organizations where sales is also not required. Correct now. Sales is also not there. Where like government organizations are there. Correct now. Do they need sales? No. Correct. So then what about FICO?
Finance is everywhere. So.
Everywhere. Any other charity also they need FICO. Charity companies, big international charities.
Also related to cash and finance.
Yes.
Any company without finance not possible. So we are there. That is the greatness about it. We call it as star module. Star module. Correct. See, I keep on regularly when I have interactions with other people, other consultants. Just last week, one HR consultant he was telling me, wish he has 19 years experience in HR. Now he is telling me, wish I did FI in my early days. He told me last week. Correct. So 19 years HR experience he's having. He's saying now, wish I did FI like you in my initial days. He's saying like that. You understand? Correct? So there is no second thinking also. Correct?
Yes,
FICO is the correct. Okay, now. So I think we spent another 5. If you ask me like this, I will talk 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay.
So which version we are using, sir? In this ECC?
This basic version, so that see, practice wise, learning wise, this is the best ECC. That's why we use.
IDEA server.
Correct.
Okay.
Once we become comfortable, anything is the same, na? See, when we are learning car, we don't want complicated car, na? We want simple, right? Once you become hold of it, clutch, gearing, steering, and all, then you can drive any car. Correct. That is it. So we will become comfortable with this. Then S4 HANA is the latest. Now we will learn in that directly.
Okay.
Correct.
Automatic car.
Yes. Yes. Kind of. Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Thank you.
Okay. So now TPG we have created a step number 8. Okay. Save. So that is step number 8. Step number 9. No. Step number 9. Step number 9. 9 is define material group. OM.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, these steps maintained by consultants only.
Exactly. Correct. They are done by the MM people. Yeah, that's why I put the
So
heading here. consultant.
Yes, yes, sir. You are said to us for just to have an idea purpose.
No. Not to idea. Now you want me to see. I told you. What is the result we want? Automated entries.
Okay.
So whenever there is a change, where the change is? Change is on MM side or FI side or MM side?
FI side.
Where the change is happening, right? Change in the stock.
MM
side.
Yeah, sir.
Change is happening on the MM side.
MM
But
side.
where the updation should happen?
FI side.
Automated entries where it should be posted.
FI.
FI, sir.
So to show you that, I want to show you that automated entry. To show you that now MM side I should make the change now.
Yes.
Right? Yes. So to do all that I need all MM component, right? So when I do that connection, between FI and MM, then what will happen? Whenever I do any change on the MM side, whenever they do any change on the MM side, FI automated entries are posted. I want to show you that. To show you that I need all this.
Okay.
Got it? Yeah. Now, step number 9, define material group. So go to OMSF, right? Go like /n OMSF. Go like. Now define material groups. Now click on the new entries. Now what is the material group he has? What material group we are creating? Any material group like TEE group. Okay. Now. No. Just we are creating what all the things that are required we are creating. Okay, click on the save. Enter. So that was step number 9. Let's step number 10. Step number 10 is maintain company code for material management. Correct. Maintain company code for material management, that is OMSY.
Done, sir.
Oh, yes. Now let's go. So go to OMSY. Now click on the position. What is our company code? TEE.
TEE.
Now year, what is the year? 2021. Correct. Which period we are in now?
11th.
11th year.
Correct. Then allow back period. Allow back period means in FI we have only one period that is open, right? But in MM, two periods are open. Okay. So last month and this month, two periods are open. That's why we are saying allow back period. Okay, note down. So here you have to be very careful. Yeah. If you give the wrong here, right, your FI will be in some other period, MM will be in some other period. Okay. Be careful. You have to give the correct period in which you are in. Okay. Now. Right. No, no.
So for next month, we have to change it. For next month, next period, we have to change the
To period. No. See here, when you are doing, you what is your period? You have to. Now we are in 11th period. Now that period we have to.
only doing on started.
Only once. Only once. Right? It will automatically flow with the effort.
Okay.
Till month is done, then we will make period 12, sir.
Month is done.
When month is over, sir, 11th period is over. So then have to maintain here.
No,
12,
we
yes.
have. No. That is different step. Open and close is different step. Okay. In FI we have OB52, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Same way we have some other step for MM. We don't do that here. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now next. So step number, see here, you see 10th period is open like that. Okay. Now next. So step number 11th. Step number 11th. 11th is define attributes of material types. Okay, note down. OMS2. Note down. Define attributes of material types. Define attributes of material types. Okay, define attributes of material types. So go to OMS2.
Attributes means what?
Yeah, so /n OMS2. Okay, define attributes of material type, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Thing. Yes.
Sir, attributes means what, sir?
Attributes means kind of characteristics. You know characteristics? Yeah.
Properties like just
Properties. Parameters.
parameters. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now position, what is the material type? I am talking about raw material type, right? Raw material we call it as ROH. Okay, wherever you see ROH, understand that it is raw material, means ROH. Okay, now you select the ROH, click on the quantity updating, value update. Click on the quantity updating, value update. Click on it.
Sir, one
Now
show from
here-
starting, sir.
Okay, OMS2, go like this. Position, what is the material type? ROH. Okay, raw material type ROH. Raw material type ROH.
Sir, first we need to go to position, sir.
Yeah, position, correct. Position and ROH. Now, select ROH, Click on the quantity updating, value updating. Okay, click on this. Now here, position, yeah. What is my valuation area? Okay, so now we need to understand the valuation. See, wherever it is important to know the concepts, I will definitely discuss. Okay, so this is the valuation area is concept, but we should know it. Why we should know, I will tell you. See here, valuation area, because we are talking about value in Correct. Value is our area, correct? So now, see, understand now, suppose I have like this. Suppose I have, what I have, say raw material, okay? What raw material I have? I have like this, okay? Say I have 100 tires. Where I have in Hyderabad. Okay. Same way I have 100 tires in Bangalore. Yeah, Bangalore plant. Another 100 tires in Delhi. Okay. Now in Hyderabad, the value of each tire is at the rate of rupees 100. Correct? In Bangalore, it is at the rate of rupees 80 only. Correct? In Delhi, it is at the rate of rupees 130. Okay, now is it possible? Is it possible like this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Why?
happens.
Same material, na?
Depend on transportation, other
Demand and supply.
Not
No,
demand and supply. Here it
transportation.
is raw material, na? So now in Bangalore, the vendor supplier is just beside me. Correct? He is not even loading into the truck. Directly he is giving me, yeah, beside compound. No transportation cost. But if I have to bring that same tires to Hyderabad, it is costing me. So my value is increasing, na? Correct or
Based
not?
on SGST also. If the
So
one
many.
state SGST,
Yes, exactly. So many factors, taxes, transportation, everything. Is that clear?
Like crude oil.
Petrol.
Yes. Correct. So depends on the place. Place is also very important. Correct. So now you tell me now total how many tires I have.
300.
300.
Now if I ask you what is the value of it, what is the value of the 300 tires?
310, sir.
310.
310.
No, sir.
We tell the average, like
Average price, sir. We can.
100 rupees we may tell.
No. I am asking what is the total value of the 300 tires?
240. Right? 21.
310.
31,000.
31,000.
How much it is?
31,000.
13,000.
This is
8,000.
8,000.
8,000.
13,000.
This is
13,000.
13,000.
13,000. Correct.
Total 31,000.
Total
31,000.
31,000.
31.
Now you tell me we are evaluating at what level? No, this is 300 tires are in company code. This is in my TNTTE company code. Correct. 300 tires are in company code. What is the value? 31,000.
31,000.
Got it. But are you evaluating at company code level or are you evaluating at plant level?
Plant level.
Correct or not? So each plant level you are taking the value separately, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So that is what is. So valuation area. Valuation area means where you are valuating the stock. Correct?
It is nothing but plant, right, sir?
Yes, valuating the stock, which is nothing but plant. Correct?
Sir, plant is equal to our company code, right? In MM, it is highest hierarchy, right?
No, don't talk like that. How can plant be equal to company code?
In perspective of finance, I'm talking about.
No. Why we should bother about organization structure? Don't bother, na? See, plant. We should talk about full picture, na? Full picture. So, right? So in the plant, in the company code, we have a plant. Yeah, there can be many plants, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So valuation area is the level at which we are doing the valuation of the stock.
So all plants, one company code, right?
Exactly. Correct. You understand? So now you cannot say plant is company code, na?
Yes,
You got
sir.
the point? Understood. So you are valuating at what level? Plant level. So valuation area is nothing but plant. So now here one question is coming. What is it asking here? Valuation area. Now tell me what I should give here.
Plant.
What is the name of our plant?
T1.
That's it.
Sir,
Got it?
sir,
Yes.
sir, once repeat it now.
Go back slowly.
Yeah. So here you want this notepad, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, in my company, I have 3 plants. Hyderabad plant, Bangalore plant, Delhi plant. Where I have tires, raw material is there. So in Hyderabad, I have 100 tires. In Bangalore, I have 100 tires. In Delhi, I have 100 tires. The total, how many tires I have?
300 tires.
But this value, how I am taking the value of these 300 tires based on the local value, na? So in Hyderabad, each tire is 100 rupees. So 100 into 100. How I got 10,000. So value of these 100 tires in Hyderabad is 10,000. The value of these 100 tires in Bangalore is 8,000. The value of these 100 tires in Delhi is
130.
13,000. Got it? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So then I will take the total of it. So 300 tires total value is how much?
31,000.
Is it clear? So we are evaluating at what level? Each plant level. Correct? That's why valuation area we call it as a plant. Okay? So again I am doing, go to OMS2. Now position, what is the material type? Raw material type, na? ROH. Now select the ROH here. Click on quantity updating, value updating. Then you click on the position. Valuation area, what we have to give? Plant level, na? Correct?
Yes.
We are evaluating at plant level. Enter. So now you see, for this valuation area, for this raw material type, quantity updating, value updating. So whenever quantity updated, value should be updated. Correct? Quantity updation, value update. Okay? No.
Sir,
Yes.
after clicking on quantity or value updating, what we did, sir?
We did not do anything, just tick it. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Then you save.
Okay. Another company, something came. JCHS, JCS1.
That is in the order. Yeah, there are many things here. We selected this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, save. Next, go back. Now, so raw material I have done. Na? Now I want to do for finished goods also. For finished goods also I want to do. What I will do now?
Position.
And select material
Okay.
type.
Now, position. What is the material type for finished goods? FERT. F-E-R-T. Okay. Not on FERT. Not on FERT. 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 So select this FERT. Click on quantity updating, value updating. Click on quantity updating, value updating. Yeah. Now no done. Now position again. Yeah, same way, position. What is the valuation area? So everybody knows now valuation area. We are taking it as a plant. Why we are taking it as a plant? Because we are evaluating it plant level. Correct? Okay, now what I should do? For this valuation area, for this material type, quantity when I update, value should be updated or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Save. That's it. Okay. That is step number 9. 10. No. 11.
11,
11. Okay. 11. 11. Okay. Next. Step number 12. So now 12 is set tolerance limit, set tolerance. Set. So in FI also we have tolerances, na? You remember?
Yes, sir.
Same
Yes,
for
sir.
MM also you have tolerances. Set tolerance limit for price variance for purchase orders. Okay, no doubt. Okay, no doubt. So there is a T code, right? Short ALR underscore 8700 2196. Okay, no doubt. So we will go like this. We will go like this. Now set tolerance limit. So go to S underscore slash n S underscore ALR underscore
8700
8700
2196.
2196. Okay, go like this. Go like this. Then what it is? Okay. Here for position, as I told you, now we don't know all this. Yeah.
Yes,
So position 1000 company code, right? So we don't know all this. We don't have to know all this. So what I tell you, what I told you, we'll just copy and use. Okay, select 1000 for PE and SC. Okay, note down. Select 1000 for PE and SC. Select 1000 like this. Select 1000 for PE and SC. Click on copy button and remove, change the company code. Okay. What is our company code? TE.
PE.
TE.
Yeah, press enter. Same way, this company code also changed to PE. Is that clear? So
Amount was in euros, sir.
So go back.
no, when you change, it will automatically change to INR. Okay, when you
Okay,
change
sir.
the
Thank you.
company code, amounts will also change to INR automatically.
Sir, will you show this
Okay.
again, sir?
Okay. Now, okay, no problem. So what we do here, we will come here, go to S underscore 2196. Correct? And then you go to position, 1000 company code, enter, select 1000 and SC, select 1000 like this, select 1000 like this, click on the copy button and remove company code. What is the company code? E. Correct. Press enter.
Enter.
For this also remove 1000 and give T. Correct? Enter. Perfect. Okay, no doubt. Okay, click on the save option here. That's it. Okay. Enter. Done now? That is step number 12. Next. Step number 13. Step number 13.
How many
13.
steps in this, sir?
20.
Yeah.
Define plant parameter.
Sir, in FICO, 22 is there, right, sir?
21.
21 is.
Okay.
So now go to define plant parameters. So how we go? We go back. So I'll give like this slash and SPRO, right? There is no T code for this SPRO. Go to SPRO. Material management. Material. Under materials management, inventories management and physical inventory. Under that, plant parameters. Note down the path, everybody, note down. SPRO, materials management, inventory and physical and plant parameters. Okay, now.
Done, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, 1 minute. Right. So now click on the plant parameters here. Now click on the new entries. Okay, here. So here all this we don't know, no? This is
Yes, sir.
see, discussing all this, it will take probably 3 to 4 hours. We don't have to know also all this, na? Batch in background, correct na? RTP stocks of material vendor, correct na? Now POM usage, POM application, correct? So what I will do? What do you think we should do now?
Copy paste.
Exactly. Correct.
Copy.
1000. Standard SAP created 1000. Okay. Select 1000. Click on copy. Yeah. And change the plant name. That's it. So whatever standard changes are there, standard applications are there, they will automatically apply. Is it clear? Yeah. Yeah. So that's how we are doing the shortcut. Correct. How we are able to do 3 to 4 months concepts in two hours or 2 days through this. Yeah, we are not knowing all this blindly. We are doing. Okay. And
Sir, MM model takes 2-3
Sir?
months. 2 to 3 months, sir.
yeah, 3 to 4 months it will take. Yeah. Same. Yes, tell me.
What is standard in FI, sir? In MM, we are having 1000 now.
So
Yes,
1000
good.
for FI also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. OBY6.
Hmm.
But you want to know, na? You don't want
Yes,
to use 1000 in FIC also, right?
No.
Correct, yeah.
Just to knowledge purpose.
Yeah. Okay, now define plant parameters. Okay, we have done this plant parameters.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so we will go to SPRO we have done. Next step number 14. Okay, 14 is again tolerance. Okay, set tolerance limit background noise tolerance limits for goods receipts. Okay, goods receipts. OMC0. Okay, no down. OMC0. Right, so we will go like this. So are you sure we saved that previous step plant
Yes, sir.
parameters? Saved, na? Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
finally it is going to throw the error. Okay, no problem. So slash and OMC0. Again tolerances. So here also same thing. 1000 company code. Select 1000 for B1, B2, BP. 3 things. Note down. Select 1000 for B1, B2, BP.
Hello.
Okay, B1, B2, BP.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, I am able to hear you. Tell me. Okay, now click
These
on.
3 are selected, sir. B1, B2.
Correct. You select the 3. Correct. Copy and change the company code. What is the company code?
P.
So for all of them, you change the company. Okay, done. Okay, save.
Yes, sir.
So that is step number
14.
14. Correct. Next, step number 15. 15 is maintain default values for the tax codes. No, no. Maintain default values for tax codes. That is OMR2. Yes, no, no, OMR2. Go to OMR2 /n OMR2. Go live. Okay, so now you click on the new entries. Give the company code. What is our company code? TE. The default tax code we are not giving, just we are giving blank, yeah, so that we don't want any tax to be automatically applicable. I'm not giving any default tax code, yeah. So we will give at the time of posting the tax, yeah, tax code we will give at the time of posting. So I'm not giving. Just press enter and save. Tax code means tax percentage we have na GST, that one.
Yes, sir.
C1, C2 then.
No, not C1, C2 is our withholding tax we are talking.
Okay.
GST we created na input output taxes code.
Yeah. T1 and T2. In I1, I2.
I0, I0, I1.
Yes.
I1, I2.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Now go back. Next. So that was step number 15. Next, step number 16. 16 is again tolerances. Okay. Set tolerance limits for invoice verification. Set tolerance limits for invoice verification, OMR6. Okay, no, OMR6.
Sir, one silly doubt, don't mind. Here all are starting with OM. We had OB and OX. B and X will define finance, and M defines MM. Just I'm asking out of curiosity.
Some places it is okay, but you see here, do you know what is OX02? You know, na? Correct.
Yeah.
So if I give OX01, you will be surprised. If you are thinking it is finance, it is what you see, purchasing organization.
Okay.
OX01.
Okay.
OX02 company code.
Company code.
So how can I?
Okay, sir.
That's why there is some kind of, as you said, some kind of pattern is there, but we cannot fix on it.
Okay, sir.
Now.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So now, step number 16 is set tolerances for invoice. OMR6, na? OMR6 /n OMR6. So here, what we do, position. What is the company code? 1000 again, correct? Now, so 1000 for what? For BD, PP and ST. These three things you select. Yeah, for now this is enough. Select these three: BD, PP and ST. Right? BD, PP and ST. Select like OMR6.
Or why select 3 only?
Because we need only 3, right? Right now. for our FI connections. There are so many things that we have for tolerance limits in MM, but for our FIMM integration, what we need, those things we need, those I am using. Okay, so some tolerances they may use for connecting with PP, MM to PP, MM to SD. We don't need all that. Na? Whatever we need, we are taking. Okay. Yeah. So if you observe here, all talking about money only, right? Small differences, money, price also finance, correct? Date related problems. So finance and dates like that, right? You will see, correct? Those things main. So copy. Now here, what is the company code? Again changing the, what is our company code? TE.
T.
So give the company code TE. Enter. Again third one also TE. Okay, note down. Now click on the save. That is step number 60.
16.
Step number 17. 17 is define automatic status change. Okay, no, SPR. This is also no T code path we are using. SPR. No T code, we are using the path. Okay, so we will go to SPR /n SPR. Reference IMG. What is the things we have here? Material management. Again, we are going to material management. Under material management, logistics invoice verification. Under that, we are talking about invoice verification in background. Yeah, invoice verification in background. Where is this?
ED.
Above EDI, sir.
Above EDI, yeah. Invoice verification in background. Define automatic status change. Yeah, no doubt. Click on define automatic status change. Now, yeah, now position, let us give our company code is it here? Not there now. Okay, new entries. Give the company code TEE. Okay, just give that. No need to take this. Don't take this. Don't take this. No. Save, because I want to show you, right? I don't want it to happen automatically. I want to show you how the process goes. Okay, just give it. Save. Yeah, that is step number 17. Next. Step number 18. 18. Okay, good. Edit, no, on. Edit PO supplement text, whatever the text I need for our understanding purposes in invoice verification. Okay, that is OMR 8. Okay, no doubt. So go to OMR 8 /n OMR 8. Yeah, OMR 8. So go to notifiable order text types. Yes, I think it is open. Something is open. Yeah, open. So again, I'm coming back here, OMRI, notifiable order text types. Okay. Yeah, now it is. So click on notifiable order text types. Then again, select like this, na position. Okay, new entries. Sorry, new entries. So give the company code, that is PEE, and select for what I need the text types. I need for pricing, I need the text. Then I need for the payment terms, I need the text so that I can understand what I am talking. So for pricing, I need the text details, the description, and for terms of payment also I need description so that I can understand. Load up. That is step number 18.
So after clicking on notifiable, direct this page will come, sir.
Yes, you then you click on the new entry.
Okay, sir.
Then you will get. Okay. Say. Step number 19.
Sir, because it was showing some pop-up when you clicked on notifiable, so it
That
showed
is
some
only
pop-up.
screen. I have opened the screens, na? That was.
Okay, sir.
If the screens are closed, it will not ask. Correct. New entries, you go there. Correct. Now, step number 19. Step number 19. 19 is define valuation grouping code, right? Right. Assign valuation grouping code. Valuation grouping code to valuation areas. That is OMWD. Okay, no doubt. OMWD. Yeah, OMWD. Okay, OMWD. So we will go to /n OMWD. OMWD. Okay, enter. Now, position. What is our valuation area? What is our valuation area?
PE.
PE. Okay, enter. Now here my chart of accounts is this, and what is the valuation grouping area? So we need to understand what is the valuation grouping code, right? Not area, grouping code. See here, same example. Now here, this you have to understand. Now here, what I can do is, suppose I have one more place, right? Suppose I have another 100 tires where I have, say it is in Noida at the rate of rupees 150. So how much value I have? 15,000. So it is total 46,000. Okay. Now what I want to do is, now I have a requirement like that. Now North India accounts, South India accounts, I want to keep separate. Correct? What I want, the value that is there in South India is usually low, North India is high. Na? So now what I want is, I want to keep this value, that is now South Indian plans to go to some other account, North Indian accounts to go to some other account, right? So I created, so what I will do now, so let me take it here. Okay. Okay, so I will write down here. Yeah, better. This is my Hyderabad, this is my Bangalore, this is my Delhi, this is my Noida. Okay. So I'm removing this from here so that it is more easy. At the rate, I'm removing this. Okay. Now this is also I'm removing. and this is also available. Right, same thing, but I moved plant from there to here. Okay, now, so now this total value, what I will do, so this Hyderabad plant, I will create a grouping code, right? 0001. For this also, I will link 0001. So now these both are same, like that I am saying. Okay, 0001. Correct. Then this I will link to another grouping code 0002. This I will link to another grouping code 0002. Okay, and this 0001 I will link to raw material south account. And here how much value I will get now?
18,000.
This 002 I will link to raw material north account. So how much value I will get here?
28,000.
You understood? So that is what.
Yes.
So that is where my plants, I will valuation areas, I am linking to a grouping code. Correct. Now suppose all of them I want in only one account. Suppose all of them I want in only one account. What should I do?
Give 0001.
000001 in everyone. Grouping.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
This is not raw material south, nothing like raw material account. Total how much I will get?
46.
Clear? Yeah. So that is what it is, right? So we will have to give this grouping code to the plant. Understood, na?
Yes,
That is what we are doing. So every plant needs to be linked to a valuation grouping code. So what is the grouping code I am giving? 001. For our plant, I am linking to 0. First grouping code I am linking. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understood now, everybody? Valuation grouping code,
Yes.
right? Yeah. So that's the logic. So we have valuation grouping codes in the middle linked to our raw material account, GL account, raw material GL account. That is how the value is coming to our GL account. Correct. So there is a raw material in the plant, valuated at plant level. From the plant, it is coming to grouping code. From grouping code to GL account, and there is the value. Understood?
Yes.
Raw material in different plants coming into one grouping code, coming into GL account.
Sir, but both have the same grouping code 0001 in Hyderabad and New Delhi.
Yeah, if you want it like that, depending on the client requirement, they will create.
Okay.
If they want separately, separate. Suppose if they want all the plants separately, all GL accounts, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. How many GL accounts we have to create?
4.
4. Understood the logic now? Simple.
Okay.
Okay, so that was about the valuation grouping code. Step number 20, last step. Last step, nearly done. So last step is a very important step. It will take a lot of time and it is important to us. Okay, so we will do that tomorrow. I don't want to hurry
Sir,
up.
tomorrow classing time, class time.
Same time, 7 o'clock, 7 till 8.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Right, then we will meet
Also
tomorrow.
same. Sunday also same also.
Sunday evening, 4 o'clock. 4 till
4
6.
o'clock.
Okay.
Okay.
Which class, sir? 4 o'clock?
Same continuation.
Depends
It is
upon
FICO class only, ma. FICO only.
No,
4
no, no.
o'clock.
No. Sir, same topic.
Same continuation. Still a lot of we need to do a lot in FIMM only. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
OMSK. Okay, we will do this tomorrow, guys. Thank you. 7 o'clock, same time.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yes, thank you, everybody. Thank you.